How to send money to webmoney from Alipay account. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to send money to webmoney from Alipay account. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, open your browser and search for webmoney. After that, click on the first website in the search results. Over here, go to the withdrawal section. You'll see options like bank card, electronic money, and cryptocurrency. If you want to send money to a bank account, just click on bank card. Next, choose bank card option. Now, translate the website into English if needed and log in into your account. After that, select your country and the amount you want to send. Then click on next. It will prompt you to enter your bank account details. Once done, your money will be transferred from webmoney to your bank account. So that's basically how you can send money from Alipay to webmoney. That's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.